So let's start. So first of all, you can read through this article. This article is very in depth. You can go to this URL. I will give it to you. Okay. So supposedly, if I want to create a product box for this game, not this is not a game. This is a Kindle ebook. I think it's a game while I was opening it. So if you want to make it, what you need to do, you need to click on the images given over here. After clicking on the images, you will get a tab. First of all, I need to hide few credentials because when I'm creating these types of videos, it's very difficult to me to hide everything from you, right? Okay, now you're good to go. So what we are going to do, they will tell you store ID, then they will ask you like which referral ID you want to use, then they will give you a code. So what you need to do, you need to copy this code, like I want in large pack. I will copy this code, I will go to my WordPress editor. Now here I can add this by using custom HTML. So what you can do after that, let me add it over here, slash HTML, custom HTML, paste it over here and click on preview. So as you can see, I have imported an image, but as you can see, I have used lots of, you can see this is the image address that I am using. That's not an address, I have to find it. Very complex code. I'm not a coder, by the way. I have to find code. Okay. So this is a link code, I think. Yeah, that's a link code. Then the border. This looks like I don't know actually. So we will see it. Okay, let me update this and click a refresh button over here. First thing you can do this and let me click on inspect element. And this is the code that we added over here. Okay, by the way, you can see everything. By the way, let me copy it, directly copying it. So as you can see, this is the image code that we are using. Okay, that's our address. Copy image address. So we are using this image address that is redirecting this to this. So you can use this. Actually, what I am doing is I don't recommend you to do this because I am not sure that maybe you will get banned for this. What I do, I directly import this URL, this media URL, and import images from this URL rather than this HTML block. That's for my own comfort, but you can do that like using this by using this images portal. And you have seen my tracking ID, no worry, all the people knows about it. So you can do this. And the second thing is, this is the one way, the API I will show you in AWP tutorial. Let me open this Logitech C922 Pro Stream. It's not available, looks like. So what you can do, what I do is for my sites, if I want to create an image, what I will do, I will copy an image, then I write a simple HTML. I just did not need to write HTML as well. I just use this slash image, import from URL, paste the URL, and that's all. That's all you need to do. So let me remove this game or whatever it is, and let me place it above. So I am having this streaming cam. Let's make it sample image of Logitech image SEO C922 update. Okay, so this is how I am doing it. And you can make a structure like full width, you can do it like lots of things you can do with this. Like you can do it like right and make it like that. So you can do these things and you can also create using custom HTML. That's your own way. This is the way that I am using it. So that's a simple video on how you can use Amazon product images. And in the next video, we will review AAWP, the ultimate plugin for Amazon affiliate. So that's all for this video. I will see you inside the next video.